Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what many consider the best red polo shirt on the market, the Hanes Men's Short Sleeve X-Temp Performance Polo. Whether you're looking for something comfortable to wear at work, during a workout, or just for casual outings, this polo shirt might just be the perfect fit for you. Right off the bat, the Hanes X-Temp Performance Polo impresses with its fabric technology. It is made from a 50-50 blend of cotton and polyester, providing a soft yet durable feel. The fabric weight sits at 4.5 ounces per square yard, making it lightweight enough to keep you cool but substantial enough to last through multiple wears. What sets this polo apart is the X-Temp technology, designed to adjust to your body temperature. This means that as your temperature rises, the fabric helps wick away moisture, keeping you fresh and comfortable throughout the day. Additionally, the shirt boasts a 40+ UPF rating, offering valuable sun protection when you're out in the sun. In terms of design, this polo maintains the classic and clean look that polo shirts are known for, featuring a welt collar and a 3-button placket with white pearlized buttons. The color deep red is vibrant and eye-catching, perfect for anyone who wants a pop of color in their wardrobe without going over the top. The shirt also transitions to a tear-away label, which is a thoughtful detail to prevent irritation during wear. Care is simple with machine wash instructions, making it convenient for everyday use. The shirt is imported but carries Hanes' trusted reputation for quality. This polo is also noted for its versatility. Its fit and style make it ideal not only for casual wear but also for uniforms and even light athletic activities. It pairs well with everything from jeans and shorts to more formal slacks, making it a practical addition to any man's closet. The dimensions are compact and lightweight, measuring about 5 by 5 by 0.7 inches and weighing just under 7 ounces, which adds to its portability if you need to pack it for travel or gym use. Sustainability is increasingly important, and this polo carries a Green Circle certification, which means it has been evaluated for its environmental impact, a bonus for eco-conscious shoppers. Overall, the Hanes Men's Short Sleeve X-Temp Performance Polo stands out for combining comfort, functionality, and style at an affordable price point. If you want a red polo shirt that keeps you cool, looks sharp, and offers good value, this shirt is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more honest product insights. See you next time.